How to factorise. I'm going to do all 5 of these together. First thing I do is I look for the highest common factor of the numbers. The highest common factor of 7 and 14 is 7. Highest common factor of 36 and 27 is 9. Highest common factor of 45 and 18 is also 9. The highest common factor of 100, 120 and 20 is 20. The highest common factor of 20, 12 and 8 is 4. In fact, since all these are negatives, we can write it as -4. Next step, if the letters don't have a power, put a 1. If there is a letter that's common to all the terms, we write it after this number. In this case, there's not. This one here, there's not any common letters. This one here, they've got a common letter of X. If that happens, look for the lowest, it's X1. Over here, there's a Z1 in every one of these terms. So that goes out the front. Over here, they've all got an X and the lowest power is X1. So to do that again, look for letters that are common in every term. If there is one, you write the lowest power out here. Next step, put an open bracket. Now you have to work out what will go into here and here. Over here goes M1. 7 times M1 is M1. We know that's correct. Next step, go 14 divided by 7 is 2. Close brackets. Check our answer. 7 times M is 7M. 7 times 2 is 14. In this case here, you go 36 divided by 9 is 4. To get this X1 here, X1 has to go there. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Check our answer. 9 times 4x is 36x. 9 times 3 is 27. 45 divided by 9 is 5. We've got X1 here, we've got X2 here, so we need another X1. Remember, when you multiply letters, you add the powers. So let's check that again. 9 times 5 is 45. X1 times X1 is X2. So this first part's correct. Minus 18 divided by 9 is 2. We've got X1 here, we've got X1 here. We don't require any more X's. In this case here, 100 divided by 20 is 5. 120 divided by 20 is -6. And 20 divided by 20 is 1. We've got Z1 here, we've got Z1 here, so we need an X and a Y. We've got a Z1 here, we've already got a Z1 there, so we require a Y1. We've got Z1 here, we've got Z1 here, we don't require anything else. That's the answer. Last one. -20 divided by -4 is 5. Check, -4 times 5 is -20. -12 divided by -4 is +3. Check again, -4 times 3 is -12. -8 divided by -4 is +2. Check, -4 times +2 is -8. So we've got the numbers correct. We've got X1 here, we've got X2 here, so we require X1. X1 times X1 is X2. We've got an X1 here, we've got an X1 here, we need a Y1 there. We've got x1 here, we've got x1 there, so we don't require anything more.